Okay, next I'm gonna
Don't you worry, we can take our time.
skin this snake that I found in the high country when I went camping this weekend.
Let's go over what I had in mind. Maybe lock the
I'm
door
gonna
and turn the
see if I
lights
can
down.
make a little,
Put some music on that's
what's it called, a
soft and
hat,
slow.
a hat
Baby, we ain't got no
strap,
place to go.
or a little belt for my hat.
You understand?
I'm gonna skin this bad boy. I find it in the high country. It's about over 7,000 feet high from sea level. It's a rattlesnake. That's why it's black. It's 7,000 feet above sea level. That's probably why. All the ones we have here in Phoenix are diamondbacks. They're the grayish skin color. So we'll see. All right. Now, like any other animal, you can just grab it and pull the skin back, and it just peels. And it is peeling. Look at that. It's just peeling. Nice. Now I had it in the freezer. I wasn't sure if it was gonna peel or rip. But it's peeling pretty nice. There we go. Just got peel. There's your snake. There we go. So when we kill it, when I kill it, whatever, I cut the rattler off. Ooh, that is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God, that is beautiful skin. It's gonna make a nice headband for my hat. A little stinky. It smells like fish, actually, kind of. Okay, so if you guys saw my sharpening video, I cut this piece of my tree just to make sure my machete was sharp. I go get my machete, cut this off, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Okay, I'm back. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting the little branches of this thing. Oh wow, it did came out sharp. Okay, so cut the branches off. Now, what I'm gonna do is I take the skin and I was watching a YouTube video. to preserve it, and basically you just wrap it around in a stick. So gonna wrap it around in a stick. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's a little stinky, it smells like fish. There we go. Let's get it all extended. It's a nice little snake for the high country. They don't grow up to be that big. This is the biggest one we've seen up country, or in the high country. I mean, when I say high country, I mean Flagstaff. We kill this, or I kill this in the Blue Ridge Reservoir over in Arizona. Oh, that is nice. Feels nice. It's gonna make a nice headband. Nice. This is really nice. There you go. Now I'm gonna put it in a plastic bag, stick it in the freezer, let it freeze again, and when I'm ready and get my materials, I'm gonna preserve it, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Peace out.